Back to my channel. So I'm back. I know I haven't uploaded in so long, but I am back and I'm super excited to be doing this video for you guys because I haven't filmed in so long. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this look right here, perfect for Valentine's Day. I didn't know if I wanted to pair it up with a nude lipstick, but I ended up using this darker lip right here, this red lipstick by Dose of Colors. And also I will be doing a giveaway in this video. I feel like I haven't done a giveaway in so long on here, so I'm going to be doing one today. And today I'm going to be giving away the Amrezy and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And all you have to do is like this video, make sure you're subscribed, and also comment down below your Instagram name or your email. That way I could contact you in case you are the giveaway winner. So make sure you guys enter. You guys be picking a winner and I'll be contacting you directly. So make sure you keep an eye out. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first shade I will be using on my crease is going to be this eyeshadow called New Yorker, and I am using a Morphe M441 brush. And on top of that eyeshadow I will be using another color kind of similar but not really. This one is a little bit darker, but this one is called OG, and like I said, I'm just going to place it on top of the other eyeshadow I applied, and I'm going to be using the same brush. I just finished cutting my crease and now I'm just going over to make sure everything is nicely blended. After that is done, I will be placing OG and the shade Semsa on the outer V of my eye. I'm going to be applying this eyeshadow called Wasted all over my entire eyelid. This eyeshadow is really pretty. It's a really nice light pink eyeshadow. On top of the eyeshadow, I will be applying this other eyeshadow called Barb, like in Barbie, I'm pretty sure, but I'm packing this on the outer half of my eye. I'm using the ColourPop BFF liquid eyeliner to do my wing eyeliner, and honestly, eyeliner makes a huge difference and I feel like it always completes a look. Maybe not all the time, but it does look really good with this look, and I just personally love doing eyeliner. So yeah, I'm also going to be applying lashes, and today I'm going to be using these by Betty B lashes. Okay, so now moving on to my face makeup. I did a primer already, but I just didn't show that on camera. But now I'm going to be applying foundation, and of course you guys already know that I will be using the NARS foundation because this is my favorite foundation at the moment. I just really love it. It's not really that heavy and it's really light and it stays on all day, so I do highly recommend it. For concealer, I will be using this concealer by Milk Makeup, and it's also not really a heavy concealer, but I like it because sometimes I don't feel like wearing a full coverage concealer, and I just feel like this one is perfect. So I went with this one today, and after that I will be blending it out, of course, with my beauty blender. So I recently started contouring again, and I had to stop for a while because the product that I was using was just super thick and it wouldn't blend, so I just stopped using it. But today I wanted to try this Rimmel London contouring stick that I received, and I really like it. It blends really easily, it's pretty creamy, and yeah, I really like it, so I'm going to continue using this product. I'm also going to be baking, and I'm going to be using this banana powder by Makeup Revolution. I'm going to be applying bronzer now, and I'm also going to apply blush and highlight, you know, all that good stuff. I'm going back to the eyeshadow and I'm going to be applying Semsa on the lower lash line, and I'm also going to be applying Barb on the inner corner of my eye. For my lips today, I will be using this lip liner by Kylie. This is called Better Not Pout. And after I finish applying that, I will be blending this out with my finger. And for the liquid lipstick, I will be using Charm by Dose of Colors. And I love this lipstick because it's not too red, it's not too dark either. And I love red lipsticks that look like that. So yeah, I went with this today. Also, every time I wear red lipstick, I always have to clean up around, because you know, red lipstick, it's kind of hard to apply sometimes. It could get really messy, so I just always go in with concealer to clean up the edges. And once that is done, I am all done with this look. I really hope you guys like this tutorial. Let me know what you think in the comments section. Make sure you enter the giveaway, and I will see you on my next video.